Oof, I need a lot of lip gloss for this video. Gloss on, worries gone. Hi, fabulous. It's me, Mo, and today I'm going to be doing a room tour. So I would say my room is very Barbie inspired, very Y2K, early 2000s inspired, very Hello Kitty inspired, Barbie, Mean Girls, Paris Hilton, me, all of it. So yeah, that is a little sum up of my room. It's kind of crazy. It's almost like a unicorn or a pink unicorn, or should I just say a Barbie or me, threw up everywhere all over it, and glitter and pink just came out. Like, whoa, this is not a room you want to have a headache in. Trust me. Let's waste no time, kind of like what boys do. Let's not do that. And let's get right into the tour. So first things first, I have my amazing, beautiful wall/door full of pictures of myself, my favorite idols, just all things pink, everything me. And then we walk in, and I have so many purses that it hits against. And it looks super dark because that's the only way I could show you the signs. But it looks like this when you walk in. Super duper fabulous. First things first, we have my amazing makeup vanity where I sit in front of the mirror, tell myself how hot and fabulous I am. When you walk in, on the back side of the door is another wall/door full of pictures of me and my favorite idols, you know. Same thing as the front, because the front and the back have to be the same. Double the fabulousness. Then you come over here and it is my little rack full of tracksuits and my favorite dresses, because this is my special little area. It's super important to me because usually my daily wardrobe is a juicy tracksuit, so I can just grab one, pick whichever shade of pink I want for the day, and go with it. Then I have all of my bags on the little rack near it, so I can pick whichever bag I want to use for the day. And then I have a few of my favorite heels just right here, just so I can look at them and feel the fabulousness of them. Like, I can feel their energy, and it makes my day so much better. Because if I don't trip over my heels, why would I trip over a boy? It's not gonna happen. I love the vibe in here. Like, look at this pink little glow. Like, I love my little glowiness. But I can open these blinds and make it brighter. But I usually like to keep it dark pink and glowy. Or I can just turn the light on. Boom. This is my room from me standing. It's so cute. I've made her exactly how I want her. It's like your older sister's room from the 2000s. Very trashy Y2K pink. Paris Hilton, Mean Girls, Barbie, me, all mixed into one. So here we have my vanity, and I have this really cute pink lights above it. It doesn't really show up well on the camera. It kind of makes the lighting look bad, but in person, it is gorgeous and very pink and pretty. You're really pretty is obviously a reference from Mean Girls, and I just see it above the mirror every day, and I'm like, I am really pretty, just like you. And then my girl, Lana, my best friend, Lana's Life, she gave me this adorable Barbie little light, and I just think it's so cute and perfect, so I put it right there. It fits perfectly on top of my little light mirror. I will turn it on. Just like a movie star, I feel like I'm getting ready to be in a movie, aka my life, every day. It's the best way to live life. Then I have my little Bratz dolls, some decorations, my pink makeup brush, a couple accessories like a Pisces candle, duh, a little pink brush that I got from the Paris Hilton Living Proof event, and a calcium bar. And I do my makeup. So fabulous, absolutely the best setup ever. To make yourself feel fabulous and even better, it's always good to have a little cute setup that you just adore and absolutely love. So I've made it absolutely adorable. So I have my makeup all in different sections, all cutesy. Boom, very cute. So all my makeup's right here, and this is where I sit. I get ready, and I be fabulous. Here I just have a pink tripod and my camera, and then I put a little sheer robe over top because it's cute. Then I have a dresser, very adorable. It's got rhinestones. It's really sparkly. I love it. It's got all my clothes in it. And then I have on top of it just a few accessories, just a guitar makeup bag, some little pink car things, my jewelry box with all my jewelry, a little pretty little thing bag because shopping is the only sport I need, a little Barbie house, some decorations. I love it. It just makes me happy and cute, and I love it. Then you come over here, and I have a few posters. Jennifer's Body, duh, because I'm literally her. Hello Kitty. Then I have my little Barbie things. Okay, this is going to be a wall full of Barbies, kind of how this shelf is. All of my Barbies are in a different state because I could not take them with me on the plane because I didn't want to crinkle their boxes. Long story short, kind of a complicated but simple story. They will be coming to me soon. I have a whole Barbie collection, vintage Barbie dolls, new Barbie dolls, and it's gonna look so cute right there. So stay tuned for that. So yeah, this section is so cute. It's literally right across from my bed. So when I'm laying in my bed, I can just look over at it and it's absolutely stunning. And then I have my fluffy hot pink bed with all my squishmallows, my stuffed animals, Hello Kitty mainly, Barbie, so cute. And then my headboard matches my dresser, it's sparkly. A hot pink fluffy bed is honestly the way to go. It makes me literally feel like I'm in 2004 and I love it. Then of course I have my Barbie poster and then I have my Bratz doll poster right by my bed, so when I'm laying, I can look at it. Yeah, I almost forgot. I have my YouTube play button. I love it. Thank you so much for that, by the way. I love YouTube and it was such an amazing moment to get that. Like, so awesome. Then right here I have my little heel chair. Absolutely adorable. I mean, if it's not giving older sister from 2004, I don't know what is. I have my sunglass collection, little phone cases, I have my burn book, I have a cute little picture of myself, my little Barbie radio, a Mean Girls candle, lip gloss, like all the necessities. And then I also have these adorable light pink little fluffy carpets. This one reminds me of a little runway, like I'm in a fashion show. So cute, so fluffy, I absolutely love it. This is kind of like what my whole room looks like. And then more in the nighttime, you can see these pink fairy lights, but they're so cute. And then up here I have a pink boa. I have Barbie spelled out because duh. I turned all the lights off and you can kind of see the Barbie lights a little bit better. But in the nighttime, it is so cute, like absolutely fairy-like. Literally living my Barbie fairy dreams. Barbie Fairytopia. Oh, I love it. I almost forgot this adorable painting. It's rhinestone. My sister made it for me. It's so cute right here in my little makeup area. It is so cute. She makes them on Etsy, so go check them out. They're so adorable. This is a little 0.5 moment of my room. OMG. So fabulous. So amazing. And yeah, that is my room. Whew. That was a fabulous ride. That was like the cutest roller coaster ever. I had so much fun showing you my fabulous room. I'm so glad you got to see the area where I spend most of my time, get my beauty rest, do my makeup, be hot, tell myself how hot I am. Everything that happens in here. It's just such an iconic little place for me to be myself and fully express myself, if you couldn't tell. This is your sign to make your room exactly how you want it. Don't hold back. Don't care about what anybody else thinks. Make it exactly how you want it because it'll make you happy. When I look around and I see all these fabulous pink things, like it makes me happy. I'm just ultimately happier from it. Like a little hot girl hack. I hope you had as fabulous of a time as I did, and I hope you had as fabulous of a time as this room is, if any of that made sense. I love you so much, fabulous. Thank you so much for taking this tour with me, and maybe we'll do it again soon when it looks a little different, because I feel like I'm always adding things just constantly, so trust me, in a minute it'll probably be 10 times crazier. I love you so much, fabulous, and don't forget, dump him. Bye.